today I wanted to share a really quick tip to do with removing backgrounds in Canva. When you remove a background in Canva, try to make sure you do it on a black background. So I'll show you, because when you have it on a black background, you will see that sometimes Canva will remove too much of the image. So if you see here, there's a bit of the image missing. So then what I do is I go to Edit Photo, go into Background Remover, zoom right in, and then click Restore, and make sure the brush is nice and small, and then just restore it. And then I just go over the whole image and check. So yeah, I think that's fine. So it's back, and then I go back into this one, and because it's on a black background you can clearly see that I've missed a little bit here, up here. So then I'll go back in and restore it, and there's a bit missing here as well. So you know, especially if you're looking to sell clip art or something like that, you really want to make sure that you're, you know, correcting these issues. And if it's on a white background you can't see it. So yeah, I thought I'd just share that little tip with you. All right then, bye.